We're looking at homework from section 7.1. This is question number 16. Describe type 1 and type 2 errors for a hypothesis test of the indicated claim. A lumber store claims that no more than 75% of its new customers will return to buy their next order of lumber. So let's recall what a type 1 and a type 2 error are. A type 1 error occurs when you reject H0 when it is true. A type 2 error occurs when you fail to reject H0 when it is false. So this claim is about a population proportion P. Before we can determine what a type 1 and a type 2 error are, we need to know what our hypotheses are. So this says that no more than 75% of the new customers will return. So that's no more, which is less than or equal to. So the claim is that P is less than or equal to 0.75. With an equal to sign in it, that makes this an H0. Then its complementary claim would be P is greater than 0.75, which would be the HA claim. So now we can figure out what the type 1 error is going to be. A type 1 error occurs when you reject the claim H0 that no more than 75% of new customers will return to buy their next order of lumber when it's true. So if it's true, that means that not more than 75% will return to buy. So less than or equal to 75% will return to buy, but we've rejected that claim. So how does that look here? Well, that's going to be choice B. A type 1 error will occur when the actual proportion of new customers who return to buy their next order is no more than 0.75, but we've rejected the H0. So that's the type 1 error. We also wanted to figure out a type 2 error. So let's bring back our definitions and our claims. A type 2 error occurs when you fail to reject H0 when it is false. Failing to reject H0 means that you're not rejecting the claim that no more than 75% of new customers will return when that claim is false. So that means that more than 75% actually did return, but we didn't reject the claim that less than or equal to would return. So for us, which choice is that going to be? Well, here, that's going to be choice D. A type 2 error occurs when the actual proportion of new customers who return to buy their next order is more than 0.75, but we failed to reject that claim. So when you're going through these claims, the first thing you need to know is that, in this case, the type 2 error is when you fail to reject the claim. So if we look at our claims, 2 of them say we reject the claim, the other 2 say fail to reject. So since we know it's failed to reject, that eliminated A and C for us. So we were really only looking at B and D and which one fit our situation, and we knew that it was more than 0.75, not less than 0.75. So that's why we chose choice D, and that's your answer.